Guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 720 error image machine type mismatch EXE on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of mismatch error code, then here are the fixes. Go to your problematic app which having your issues, right click on it and choose properties. Its properties windows will now open. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility and click on run compatibility troubleshooter and follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator mode, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Means open your problematic app as administrator mode and also run the compatibility troubleshooter and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows, click on yes if pop-up window will appear, and in command prompt windows execute these three DISM tool one by one. In command prompt windows, these three DISM tool: DISM online cleanup image scan health, DISM online cleanup image check health, and DISM online cleanup image restore health. Execute all these three DISM tool one by one in command prompt windows, followed by enter key on each time, and thereafter execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete, and after that don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose device manager, and in device manager windows look for any problematic device driver having yellow color exclamation sign against any device driver. In my case, no any such device driver found. In your case, if you found, simply expand it, right click on it and choose update driver. In the next windows, how do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Apply this process for all your faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation sign. Otherwise, you can update all your device driver one by one and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. In settings, from the left side of web level settings, scroll down and choose apps. From the right side, click on installed apps. And here either you can type in search field for look for your problematic app, or directly proceed with scrolling down your page and go to your problematic app, click on 3 horizontal dot against each, either your problematic app, click on 3 horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the reset section. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair your app, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair does not work, choose reset, and if repair and reset both does not work, then uninstall the problematic app and reinstall a fresh version of that problematic app. Close the windows. The one more workaround you can apply: open control panel in your system. Here choose recovery. Here click on the link, open system restore, and restore system files and settings page will now open. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or spot responding. Click on next and choose a system restore point, either automatic restore point, otherwise Windows update. If you feel that after Windows Update your problem arises, then choose Windows Update and click on Next, and finally confirm your restore point. Choose Finish and let the window complete the restoration process. Follow on-screen instruction to complete the process, and hopefully your error will definitely be resolved.